You can use our mango curd recipe for any stone fruit curd. We've doubled it for the filling in our 2-tiered wedding cake. Chum Chum, you've got one more chance. If you don't capture Captain Breadhook this time, Captain Breadhook is on her way home. Wow, you always get the news. Kitchen loonies like to talk amongst each other. I was talking to Frida Flavor Fairy just last night. You're in the loop. Take 2 cups of fresh mango and puree it. We use an immersion blender. Then beat together 4 eggs and 4 yolks. I will personally handle it, and you won't like the outcome. And in your favorite saucepan, whisk together 1 cup of sugar and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. This way keeps the cornstarch from forming impossible lumps that you'll never get out. Add in 10 tablespoons of butter and your puree. A medium to low heat, melt that all together. Oh, dum dum, dum 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 dum. It's better to be Jum Jum. Don't make me regret this. As it heats up, whisk in your eggs. Whisk constantly while pouring them in so you don't have a chance to cook them into scrambled eggs. And bring this slowly up to 160 degrees. Then cook it for 3 minutes longer to get out any lingering cornstarch taste. This is also when it's going to be thickening right up. Pass it through a fine mesh sieve for a silkier texture and to catch any scrambled eggs we might have made. Cover it with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. These are meltless ice cubes. They come in so handy to cool things from the top down while the fridge gets the bowl side. Oh, brother!